Hello guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to use custom dialog box. In this dialog box you can type some text messages and you can send it. Okay, now let's go through our design part. uh, Let me make another layout for custom dialog box. Okay, yes, here we can see that. Okay, now first of all we need to, if you want to make some design like a rounded corner or anything, so first we have to make a drawable file like in a shape. So if you go to the drawable folder and put some name like rounded, yeah, rounded text view, that should be fine. There you go. Now we have to change it to shape, and then we can go for, basically we need a shape for rectangle, so we'll go for the rectangle here, and then we're gonna put some padding 2dp. Yeah, that should be fine. Now we're gonna make the solid yeah, the color of the drawable, so we'll put the color here. We can go some for like darker gray, or we can go for hollow orange. Yeah, hollow orange light. Let me see, you see the color is now, yeah, that's the color now. Or now we can go for the corners. If you go to the corners and put the radius as 5 dp, then you'll see the difference on the screen. As you can see, is now rounded, it's not like shapy things like in corners. Next, we're gonna put some borders. Yeah, so let me define the color of borders like color, and we can put as a white. I think it should be fine, and we need to put the weight, which should be 2 dp, and here you go. Now you can see that's our design. So what you're gonna do here, we're gonna put the background of this linear layout, um, background with the rounded text view, and it will make the difference. You see the whole background is changes now. Now what you can do, we can define our text view here on the top. Text view is the match parent, and then we can go for wrap content, um, and then yeah, yeah, that should be fine. And let me put some padding as well. uh, Padding we can put like 5 dp. We don't need to put the id here because we're not going to use this one for any purpose. So basically we go for the edit text. We can put match parent here, and height should be wrap content. Yeah, wrap content, or yeah, just put in the wrap content. We'll see what's happened there. Then what you're gonna do, we're gonna put some button here as well. Put some button should be match parent here. I'm just putting the match parent, but it's up to you. If you want to do something else like with wrap content, and if you want to have your own design, then you can do it as well. Let me put some strings here, just for the button. Yeah, string, and we put like a send here or something. Yeah, send button. Yep, that should. And then for the text view, we're gonna put something here. um, Feedback. Yes, feedback here. And then yeah, let me go there, and then let me define the text for that. Text text should be feedback. And then, oh, it don't look so much good here, so let me design something gravity. gravity is center. Yeah. uh, Text color, let me put it white. um, Go for and red color and then white. Yes. Now go for the text size. Text size, let me define that 20 sp. Let me put this 26 sp. Okay, that's fine. What about the padding? Yeah, I put some padding here as well. Like, let me put some margin on the on left margin 10 dp. Margin on right should be 10 dp. Margin on the right should be 10 dp, and then we should have a margin on the top, 10 dp. Yeah, that looks fine. Yeah. Now put that background, or let me put some background here, and the drawable rounded text view as well. You see, yeah, here's the color. mm, Now let me define something else here. We can uh, background to 20. Is it right? It's 20 dp. Is it fine? Yeah, that's not bad. Margin right, I'm gonna put 10 dp. Margin left, I'm gonna put 10 dp. Yeah, now it looks quite different. Let me put some background here as well. Background drawable rounded. You will see the difference now. You see, as I put the background here and it's changed everything here. um, Let me put some margin on the top as well. Margin top 5 dp. Yes, now it looks nice. You see, now it really looks nice. Okay. um, let's go for the color. What mm, text size, like layout gravity. Yeah, yes, start. Yes, I'll start writing from there, and then why I'm going to do this one. Let me see. Okay. um, Let me go for button now. Yeah, and then let me put some text here. Text should be saint. And then what you're gonna do, you're gonna put the background as drawable, and it should be rounded edit text view. And then I'm gonna put some margin on the right, the same margin we had before, and on margin is on the left. Same margin is 10 dp 10 dp. Let me put the gravity there. Gravity is center. And then we're gonna put the, did I put the margin on the top? No, but I think I should put one. Margin on the top is 5 dp. Text size, I gonna choose 22 sp. It should look quite big. No, I think I should put 30 there. Yeah, that looks nice. Let me put the text color. Text color is Android color, and then white. Let me put the text style. Text style is bold. Put some padding there as well. Padding is 10 dp. Yeah, that looks quite different than others. um, yeah, that should be fine. And okay, that's all the things I just want to tell you. Now let's go for the main thing that we are looking for. If you go to the main activity, and um, we'll define everything here. Okay. we'll def Tom dialog box. Yes, I'm getting this one now. What I have there. um, okay, let me put some id here. Then in that case, when I click that one, like when I click the submit button, I should have something like send message. But I want to do something with this button. Like when I click this button, then it should like dismiss the dialog, and that's it. Yep. Let me go there. Okay. Now what I got here, I got the button here. Let me get this button here, button, and then um, button. Wait, wait, wait. I'm always poor with typing. Find view by ID. Now let me see. Dialog dot find view by ID r dot id send message. Yes, here you go. That's all you got here. And then what are you gonna do? When the button set one click listener, set one click listener, new one click listener, and what you're gonna implement here, you're gonna dismiss the dialog here. Okay, dismiss the dialog, and then what you're gonna do here, um, dialog set cancelable, we should put as false that if you touch outside or any outside the part of the dialog box, it will not close or it will not disappear, it will be there unless you press the button and dial dismiss dialog by yourself. Okay, let me show you now the dialog show. Yes, here you go. Now let me call that function. Yeah, draw dialog box. I think it should be fine. Let me try. Yeah, it was running though. let me, let me see, let me see what name. Yes, here you go. That looks nice. I need to do some work though. But anyway, I'll show you how to get this done. Before that, I need to get rid of this title. Okay, so Control V, color transparent. Now let me check if it's fine, if it's working. Yeah, there's the two line that need to define here. One is there, and then one is there. Okay, let's go for. I'll see how it. Yeah, can you see that? That looks so. That looks pretty okay. Now let's go for. I have done something wrong there. Let me go for this one, and I should put some margin on the bottom as well. Margin bottom, and then I gonna put 10 dp. Yeah, that's will make the difference. And for the edit text, I'm gonna put the text color. Yes, text color and red color, and then white, and then text. Is that the one layered gravity, or did I put that gravity? Yeah, let me see. Yes, that's fine. That looks more better than before. Padding, padding 5G. Hmm. Okay, let me see. I am the person who is making this tutorial. Okay, bang, that's it. Here you go. That looks quite nice, but still you have to do lots of things like if you want you can like fit the text size and do whatever you want. um, till now you see how to make the custom layout box. This will not work, nothing will be working here, but you can write to text here, and when you click the send button, with this send button I have done something like I had just dismissed the dialog, but you can do whatever you want. um, Let me show you this one thing. Yeah, let me put some toast here which will display something like toast. Okay, where's the text that I written here? Okay, let me get that ID. Let me put some ID for edit text, Android. Let's say edit text. Okay, okay, that's fine. Let's go on, and then mm, I put the button here, and let me put some edit text. Yeah, that's one, and then put some edit text here. and then edit text, dialog, find view by id, r dot id dot edit text here. mm, and then yeah, so what you're gonna do here, toast, make toast this, and then what you're gonna put here, you're gonna put the edit text, get text to a string, and then toast length long dot show. There you go. I know what's the Mexico because this is not, because this function is the inside function, that's why your this is not gonna work here. But what you can do, you can put some get application context. Yeah, now it's fine, now it's bang. Go on. I hope here you go. I am the person who is making this tutorial. Okay, let me click the send button. Yes, that's, here you go. So it's working fine. So